Here are several things you can try if your car's charging cord isn't releasing. First of all, make sure you're pressing the button on it as you're attempting to pull it out. Also, try pushing the charger in further before pulling it out. Also, make sure you have unlocked the car by pressing the unlock symbol on the key fob twice. Doing so would normally release it. If not, open the passenger door and hit the unlock button inside to see if that works. If nothing has worked so far, there is a way to manually release the charger, but first make sure the charging process has stopped. Not doing so can cause damage. So either go into the infotainment system and tell it to stop charging there, or if you're at a charging station with a screen, tell it to stop charging using that screen. Then you need to locate the manual release. It's going to be on the inside of the car, close to the charging port. In my case, it's under the hood, a couple of feet from the port. It's a yellow loop attached to a pull wire that's coming out of a tiny tube. I give it one tug straight out of the tube, like I'm turning on a ceiling fan, and that releases the connection. That's the video. Leave a like if it helped you.